Healthiest plants to have in your house. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you all here again. I hope you've been doing well. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. I'm thrilled to have you join our community. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future content. Today I want to talk about why it's so important to have healthy plants at home. Not only do they add beauty and a touch of nature to your living space, but they also provide numerous health benefits. Top 8 indoor plants that are beneficial for your health. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started with the video. Number 1. Snake plant. Snake plants are known for their ability to remove toxins from the air, including formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, toluene, and trichloroethylene. This makes them beneficial for improving indoor air quality and creating a healthier environment. Snake plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. However, what sets them apart is their ability to continue releasing oxygen at night, making them ideal for bedrooms to promote better sleep quality. Studies have shown that snake plant can contribute to lower stress levels, improved mood, and increased productivity. The presence of a snake plant can create a more calming and relaxing environment. Number 2. Peace lily. The peace lily helps to increase humidity levels by releasing moisture into the air. This can be beneficial in dry indoor environments and can help alleviate dry skin, respiratory issues, and other symptoms associated with low humidity. The peace lily can help reduce mold spores in the air, making it particularly beneficial for people with allergies or asthma. It absorbs these spores through its leaves and uses them as food. Studies have shown that having plants indoors can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. The peace lily's elegant appearance and air-purifying qualities contribute to a more relaxing and pleasant environment. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a popular plant known for its wide range of health benefits. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its ability to soothe and heal burns, including sunburn. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and promote healing. Aloe vera juice can help improve digestion by promoting healthy gut bacteria and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. It is also known to help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and acid reflux. Aloe vera can help soothe and moisturize the scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness. It also promotes healthy hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. Aloe vera acts as a natural conditioner, leaving hair smooth, shiny, and more manageable. Aloe vera plants have thick, fleshy leaves with a unique rosette shape, making them visually appealing. Their sculptural look adds a touch of greenery and elegance to any indoor space. Suitable for various indoor settings, from contemporary to rustic decor. They can be placed on windowsills, desks, or in decorative pots as a focal point. Number 4. English ivy. Hedera helix. As it transpires, English ivy releases moisture into the air, which can help to maintain indoor humidity levels. This can be particularly beneficial during dry seasons or in air-conditioned environments. Historically, English ivy has been used in traditional medicine for its potential anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It has been used to treat respiratory conditions and skin issues. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before using it for medicinal purposes. English ivy is effective at absorbing VOCs, which are harmful chemicals released from various household items such as paints, carpets, and cleaning products. Reducing VOCs can lower the risk of health problems like headaches, dizziness, and respiratory issues. English ivy is a versatile plant that can be grown in hanging baskets, as ground cover, or trained to climb trellises and walls. Its trailing vines add a touch of greenery and elegance to any space. With its glossy, lobed leaves and variegated patterns, English ivy enhances the aesthetic appeal of indoor spaces. Number 4. ZZ plant. Zamioculca zamifolia. Like other green plants, the ZZ plant produces oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. Increased oxygen levels can contribute to better respiratory health and overall well-being. More oxygen in the air can make indoor spaces feel fresher and more invigorating. The presence of plants indoors has been associated with stress reduction and improved mental well-being, a concept known as biophilia. The ZZ plant's lush foliage and vibrant green color can evoke feelings of tranquility, connection to nature, and a sense of calm, making it an effective tool for creating stress-free environments. Cleaner indoor air quality can also benefit individuals with respiratory conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, as it reduces the triggers that can exacerbate symptoms and lead to respiratory distress. Number 5. Boston Fern. Boston ferns release moisture into the air, which can help maintain optimal indoor humidity levels during the night. Adequate humidity can prevent dryness in the nasal passages and throat, reducing the likelihood of snoring, throat irritation, and discomfort during sleep. A positive psychological state, fostered by exposure to nature and greenery, can have profound effects on immune function. The sense of well-being and vitality promoted by Boston ferns contributes to a resilient immune system, helping to protect against illness and promote overall health and vitality. Dry indoor air can lead to dry, irritated eyes, especially for individuals who spend long hours in front of computer screens or under artificial lighting. Boston ferns help maintain optimal indoor humidity levels, preventing excessive evaporation of tear film and reducing the risk of dry eye syndrome. Number 6. Gerbera daisy. Gerbera jamesoni. Gerbera daisies release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which helps purify the air and promote respiratory health. Inhaling clean, oxygen-rich air can improve lung function, reduce respiratory irritation, and alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Gerbera daisies are a good source of vitamins, including vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, promote wound healing, and protect against infections and illnesses. The anti-inflammatory effects of Gerbera daisies can provide relief from joint pain and stiffness associated with inflammatory joint conditions like arthritis. By reducing inflammation and swelling, Gerbera daisies help improve joint mobility, reduce pain, and enhance quality of life for individuals with arthritis. Number 7. Lavender. Lavender is often used to improve sleep quality due to its calming properties. Placing a sachet of dried lavender under your pillow or using lavender essential oil in a diffuser can help induce a more restful sleep and alleviate insomnia. Lavender oil has natural analgesic properties that can help alleviate pain. It can be used topically to reduce pain from headaches, migraines, sore muscles, and joint pain. Inhalation of lavender essential oil can also help manage pain, particularly in cases of chronic pain, by promoting relaxation and reducing the perception of pain. Lavender's calming effects can help lower blood pressure and reduce heart rate, promoting overall cardiovascular health. It is particularly beneficial for individuals with hypertension and stress-related heart conditions. Lavender helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to cells more efficiently. Number 8. Jasmine. Jasminum cp. Jasminum cp. Jasmine is a beloved plant known for its fragrant flowers and numerous health benefits. Jasmine essential oil is commonly used in aromatherapy to alleviate symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. Its calming effects help improve mood and reduce feelings of agitation and restlessness. Jasmine tea can help boost metabolism, aiding in weight management and the burning of fat. The antioxidants in jasmine help detoxify the body, promoting overall health and supporting weight loss efforts. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in jasmine may help prevent certain types of cancer by neutralizing free radicals and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Regular consumption of jasmine tea can provide protective effects against cancer and other chronic diseases. Beyond just adding a touch of natural beauty to your home, these indoor plants actively contribute to a healthier living environment. They purify the air by removing harmful chemicals and toxins, thereby reducing indoor pollution. Before you go, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for watching this video. Your time and attention are incredibly valuable, and I am honored that you chose to spend it here with me. Thank you for your support.